Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Seonghee. Today I have a cozy evening yoga practice for you to unwind the body and prepare for a good night's sleep. So we'll begin in seated position at the back of your mat. So go ahead, find your seat and feel your sitting bones connected to the earth. And then spine nice and tall and shoulders relaxed down away from your ears. And we'll start with seated cats and cows. Inhale, pull your heart forward and lift your gaze up. And then as you exhale, chin to chest, round through your spine, and then slightly lean back. We'll do this several more times at your own pace. Inhale, heart forward, slight arch in your back and look up. As you exhale, chin to chest, around through your spine and lean back slightly. And keep on moving and keep on breathing. Inhale, opening up your heart and your chest. As you exhale, pull your core into your cat pose. Feel the space in your back body. Breathe in. And then breathe it out and let go of anything that doesn't serve you anymore. Come back to center and relax your shoulders down and relax your face. And now interlace your fingers in front of your chest. And then take a deep breath in. Reach your arms up overhead, flipping your palms up towards the sky. And now as you exhale, relax your shoulders down. One more breath in, lengthen. As you exhale, bring your hands at the base of your skull. Open your elbows out. Inhale, look at the sky. As you exhale, chin to chest and draw your elbows together. Keep your spine nice and tall. Big breath in, open your elbows out and look at the sky. Support your head with your hands. Exhale, draw your elbows together, chin to chest. Feel the stretch in your back body. Inhale to open your elbows out, look at the sky. Exhale, draw your elbows together, chin to chest. And one more. Huge breath in through your nose. Open your elbows out. Look at the sky. Exhale. Draw your elbows together and chin to chest. And we'll stay here for another breath. Inhale through your nose. As you exhale, relax your shoulders and keep your elbows together. Beautiful. And now slowly lift your gaze all the way up back to center. As you exhale, release your hands onto your knees. Nice job. And now slowly we're gonna find our way to hands and knees, all fours position. Bringing your wrist underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips with hip width distance apart. And then start to shift your hips from side to side several times, feeling your glutes and your hips. And you can look over the opposite shoulders. And keep on breathing and keep feeling your body, your breath, and your mind. Beautiful. Keep on going. Keep reconnecting with yourself through your body and your mind and your breath. And come back to neutral tabletop pose. Inhale, left arm all the way up. As you exhale, thread that arm underneath the right. Bring your left shoulder down to the earth and your left cheek on your mat. Feel free to walk your right fingertips towards the front of your mat. You can also come on up high on your fingertips there. And we're gonna stay here for 2 breaths. Inhale. As you exhale, relax your shoulders even deeper to the ground. And one more beautiful, nourishing breath in. And then slowly exhale all the air out. Nice. And bring your right hand next to your face and press yourself up back to hands and knees. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Inhale, right arm all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, thread that arm underneath your left. Right shoulder down to the earth and right cheek on your mat. Feel free to walk your left fingertips forward. Come on up high onto those fingertips if you want. And close your eyes. And stay there for 2 breaths. Nice and long and full and relaxed breath here. Inhale. And then long exhale out, sigh it out, and let go. Let something go out of your way, out of your body and your mind. Beautiful. Bring your left hand next to your face and then slowly press yourself up to hands and knees again. Walk your knees to the back of your mat and bring your belly, hips, thighs down onto your mat as you come on down onto your forearms to Sphinx pose. And we'll stay here for several breaths. Your palms grounded to the earth, your elbows underneath your shoulders, and relax your hips and breathe. Go ahead, bend your left knee out, extend your left arm forward, and slide your right arm underneath your left, and grab your left leg with your right hand, and slowly roll onto your right side of your body, coming into spine twist. Extend your left arm to your left. And you're gonna stay here for several breaths. And relax your facial muscles. And then relax your left shoulder down to the earth. And breathe in and out through your nose. And send lots of love and compassion to your body and your mind and your soul. Inhale. And then long, sweet exhale out to the world. And now release your right hand and extend your left leg back as you come back onto your belly to Sphinx pose. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And now bend your right knee out. And then extend your right arm forward. Slide your left arm underneath your right. And then place your left hand onto your right leg. And roll onto the left side of your body, coming into spine twist. Extend your right arm to your right. And relax your right shoulder down to the earth. And breathe. Close your eyes. And feel your body, your breath to a deeper level, giving more love and compassion and support to yourself. Inhale. And then as you exhale, let something go, something that didn't work for you today. Let go. Let it all go. And now release your left hand and now come on down onto your back, knees bent, and then draw your knees into your heart. Give yourself lots of love, squeezing yourself sweetly. And then rock your body from side to side several times to reset your spine, your lumbar spine here. And come back to center. And then place your left foot all the way down to the earth and cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Flex toes and lift your left foot off of the mat. Interlace your fingers behind your left hamstring or in front of your left shin bone. And breathe in. As you exhale, pull your left knee to your chest and your mount, feeling your right glute and your hip area. Inhale. As you exhale, relax your shoulders and relax your heart. Breathe in and out, nicely and slowly. Release your hands and your left foot all the way back down to the earth and uncross your right leg. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Cross your left ankle over your right thigh and lift your right foot off of the mat and interlace your fingers behind your right hamstring or in front of your right shin bone and flex your left toes. Big breath in through your nose. As you exhale, pull your right knee towards your chest and your mount, feeling your body. And inhale. And then exhale out, side it out. And relax your shoulders. And then soften the muscles in your face. Soften the eyelids. And soften your cheeks and your jaw. And slowly release your hands and right foot all the way back down to the earth. Uncross your left leg and open your feet wide apart and draw your knees together. Arms down by your side, palms facing down, and stay here for one breath. Doing absolutely nothing, just feeling and reconnecting with yourself on your mat, your sanctuary, your home, sweet home, safe place. Bring the soles of your feet together and open your knees wide apart to reclined butterfly pose. And place your hands on top of your thighs. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, press your thighs down away from your face and your mouth. And inhale, relax everything down to the earth. And then as you exhale, again, press your thighs down away from your face, creating space in your lumbar spine. Inhale, relax everything down to the earth. And now as you exhale, once again, press your thighs down away from your ears and your mouth. Be super gentle and kind to yourself. And inhale, relax everything down to the earth. Beautiful. Place your hands underneath your thighs and draw your legs together back to center. And draw your knees into your heart. Hug your shins with your arms, giving yourself lots of love and hug. Feeling your lumbar spine. And then big breath in. As you exhale, draw your knees closer to your chest. And inhale, relax everything. And now place your hands onto your knees. And you're gonna make some knee circles, one direction 3 times. Make this movement as big as you can, feeling your hip joints. And then come back to center and reverse that directions. Nice and big. And then come back to center. And then squeeze your knees into your heart once again. And now we're gonna come into our happy baby pose. So grab your feet from outside and open your feet wide apart. And feel free to rock your baby from side to side several times. Feeling joyful and happy and relaxed and safe here. Come back to center and draw your knees together. Extend your right leg all the way down to the earth, and then left leg all the way down to the earth. And now bring your arms down by your side, palms facing up. We are coming into our final relaxation Shavasana. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and allow your eyes to close down. And allow the Mama Earth to have you and support you and ground you. And melt your heart. Melt that coldness in your heart, in your body, to the earth. And now you can bring your left hand onto your chest and right hand onto your belly, feeling yourself through this movement of your heart and gentle rises and falls of your belly. And relax your whole body muscles to the earth. There is nowhere to go and nothing to achieve here. Just release anything that doesn't serve you anymore and surrender to what is at this present moment. And I like to share these affirmations with you guys. Maybe you can repeat after me if you want. I accept myself exactly as I am today. I am enough and I am worthy. My value doesn't decrease by the outcome. I trust myself. I forgive myself. I thank you, myself. Thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today, and feel free to stay here for as long as you want. And I hope you have a wonderful and peaceful rest of your evening. I'll see you soon in my next video. Namaste.